Time for morning mini, y'all. We got some good news and some bad news. What do y'all want to hear first?
Let's hear the bad.
Bad news. All right. All good things must come to an end, and the same is true with Keto Brick flavors. Namely, the cookies and cream crunch. It's been a good flavor.
A great flavor.
It's been a great flavor, but
It's been around since I started.
I haven't even tried it yet.
It's kind of a classic.
it is, but
You know, I always thought it'd be great with a whey protein.
Oh yeah, that would make for a nice texture.
I'd definitely try that.
wait. Y'all haven't even heard the good news yet. You want to hear the good news? Milk and cookies, y'all.
Ooh.
Everything you love about the cookies and cream crunch, but with whey protein, fewer carbs, and way tastier. Don't take my word for it though. Here, try some, Josiah, Crystal, Chance, Bryson, pass it around there.
I don't know why we have to change it at all.